Now that's how Dodge makes an entrance. This is the new Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. And you're probably thinking, that's it, the show's over, let's get some shrimp and a couple Coronas. Well, the truth is, we haven't shared the real meat of this story yet. The real story of the Demon is not the amazing wide body stance, the tires, or the intake. No, it's the incredible technology beneath the skin. The tech that enables this beast to do what it does better than any production vehicle on Earth. Absolutely dominate on street and strip. And when you hit 140 miles an hour and cross that line, you know what you did, and the scoreboard shares your feet with the nearby world. 9.65 seconds. What you did there was make history behind the wheel of the fastest production car in the world. Don't take my word for it. That 9.65 second run was not only certified by the NHRA, it got you a certified letter from them banning it from competition because it's too damn fast. But that doesn't matter to you. What matters to you is that you have what it takes to make history, to own the moment between the Christmas tree and the last stripe, in a car that carries both the weight of Dodge's reputation and yours. A car that's destined to leave its mark beyond the burnout box. Because in the world of the autonomous and anonymous, It only takes 9.65 seconds to remind you of what it means to mean something, to remind you of the freedom that 840 horsepower can deliver. For those in the know, it takes a demon to deliver heaven on earth. It takes a car like this to deliver the records, the headlines, and the truth.